This hostel management project is live on Netlify. But how did I take it from this local code to a live website? In the next 6 minutes, I will show you the complete deployment process from GitHub to Netlify step by step. No complicated setup, no unnecessary configuration. Just follow along and by the end of this video, your project can be live too. Let's deploy it. This is complete source code of hostel management system, okay? Now first let's create a repository. Open your GitHub account, okay? And click on new repository and give the name hostel management system and mark it private and create the repository. Here you can see all command, okay? Git initialization, git commit and remote repository. Now let's open your VS Code and terminal. Copy the command and type git add and copy the commit command. Git commit first commit and enter it. All source code committed successfully. Now copy this command and paste it in the terminal. This is master branch and copy this command and paste it. Now as you can see, all the source code are now successfully uploaded on GitHub. Okay, now let's open your Netlify account. I have already created an account on Netlify. If you don't have any account, so you can sign up, okay, and create the account. So click on add new project and connect your Netlify account with GitHub, okay. I have already connected. So here you can select the repository. So I have selected the hostel management repository, okay. Give the project name. Now this project name is available now, okay. I don't have any environment variable, so I am let's create on deploy. Now the deployment is started now, okay. Here you can see all the deploy log. Now the deployment is failed. Let's check what are the issues. So here you can see the next version is not latest version, okay. That's the reason this is failed. Here you can install Next.js latest Next.js, okay. Now install the latest Next.js. It will take some time to wait for it. Now latest Next.js version installed successfully. Here you can see. Now git add and git commit was this latest change on GitHub. Now the latest change successfully pushed on GitHub. Okay. And redeploy the project. Here you can see the project now successfully deployed on Netlify. Click on the URL. As you can see, our hostel management system successfully deployed on Netlify. Okay. The complete source code in the description. Okay.